Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Anna here. So on today's video I'm going to show you guys how I stretch out my hair. I just gave myself a wash and go, but now I actually want to stretch it out. So all you need is a hair dryer, a white tooth comb, and some hair ties. So before we get right into it, if you just happen to click on this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and yeah guys, that's it. Bye. So what happened is that once I am done hair drying my hair, stretching it, I kind of like to use hair bands, and I focus on these 4 areas, and that's because my curl pattern on this area right here is like the tightest. The back of my hair I kind of leave as is because if you guys have been following me, you guys know that my hair pattern here is really loose. So yeah, that's I'm gonna leave this on for like 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys back in 20 minutes. I'm back. It has been 20 minutes, so I'm going to untie my hair and then go in with a wide tooth comb. So let's see how it looks like, guys. Yeah. So yeah guys, this is it. This is how I stretch out my hair. Comment below if there's other techniques that you guys think I should incorporate or use. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me just give you guys a 360. So yeah, I really hope this was very useful to someone out there, and guys, I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.